Advanced Revenue Management Accounts on Items Transaction subtab. Alright, so this is the last one of our setting advanced revenue management preferences. Alright, so let's go look at the suite answer. Accounts on Items Transaction subtab. 2 accounting preferences for advanced revenue management are included in the accounts group on the Items Transaction subtab of the accounting preference page. So there's a default deferred revenue account. I can quickly go and show you. So we're on the accounting preferences, items transactions tab, and then here under accounts. You'll see here is the default deferred revenue account. Okay, and then I do not have that one showing here because I do not have the automated intercompany management feature enabled. Okay. Select the deferred revenue account you use by default for sales transactions. So again, it's a default. You can go and change that on the transaction. The account appears by default on item records. The default option is the system generated deferred revenue account. So yes, using the system generated account is definitely a way to go. That will also be a special account that is really... Let me see if I can very quickly show you that special account. I have mentioned this in one of my previous videos, but you will see here when you go and look at an account save search and you have special account as a field, you will see them here. Alright, and there you go, there they are. Okay, so that then finalizes the series of 5 videos around setting advanced revenue management preferences.